Hello everyone, this is Ashutosh Dwivedi here. You are most welcome on my YouTube channel Ashu Official. If you are here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel as I create content for those who are learning spoken English. And I have been a learner of this language for the past 4 years. So today I'm going to share a story. So stay tuned until the end. Recently, I went on playground to do practice to play cricket for some time as it is my hobby and I used to play cricket a lot when I was in a school, in my hometown, or when I went to university as well. But since COVID-19, I started learning English language. I didn't get much time to go to ground and play cricket. I used to speak with the people all the time. As far as I remember in 2020, 2021, 2022, all those years I used to do a lot of practice and I have done a lot of conversations with the people. Then I started making videos for YouTube. So always I was busy and I had a hectic schedule. So I didn't get time to play something. And I started conducting sessions for my students as well. So what I want to tell you guys that when I went to the ground, I felt that yeah, it's normal. I can go there and as I'm a fast bowler, I felt I would be able to do the bowling in the same way like I used to do 5 or 6 years ago in 2019 and 18. It was there in my mind. I felt, yeah, it's pretty easy. I'll be able to do it, right? But when I went on a ground, I was not able to deliver that. I was not able to deliver whatever I was thinking in my mind because that's why I want to tell you the role of consistency. Consistency matters a lot. If you're not consistent in your spoken English journey, sometimes a lot of things are there in your mind and you feel you will be able to do it. Sometimes you go to stage and to give us a speech and you think I can make it happen. I'll be able to give a wonderful speech and you don't do rehearsal. But when you go on a stage, it becomes a very difficult for you, you to express your thoughts, whatever you were thinking before, because it's not an easy task to speak from the stage or to deliver the same whatever is there in your head. So that's what I want to tell you. When I went on ground and I just did bowling practice, I was not able to throw the balls in a way I wanted to because I didn't do practice for last 4 years or 5 years it's been. And after that also I played, I enjoyed, and of course mentally I was so enthusiastic because I was going on a ground after a long time. So I felt that it would be really good for my physical strength and physical exercise, and I was really happy and I tried my level best. I played there almost for 1.5 or 2 hours. When I came back it was completely okay, but at that night I got a lot of pain in my body because all of the body parts were not habitual of that physical exercise because I didn't do any exercise for the past few years. I don't go out a lot. Most of the time I'm sitting in the room and doing conversations with people, making videos for YouTube and trying to conduct sessions for my students. So what I want to tell you guys that sometimes what you think like if you have practiced English for 6 months or 1 year, then you think like you don't need practice. No, it's completely wrong. You need to do practice as much as you can and you need to be connected with the language all the time. Otherwise it will happen the same it happened with me. I was thinking that I would be able to do good on ground, but I was not able to because consistency matters a lot and you have to do practice regularly for it. After the 5 years, as I told you that I started my journey on 29th April 2020, I started speaking English. It does not mean that I can stop speaking now and I'll be able to speak whenever I want. I need to do that practice every single day to maintain my this fluency of spoken English. So that's what I want to tell you guys, that if you are learning this language, don't be relaxed, don't go to your comfort zone. Try to take out time from your schedule every day and do practice at least for 10 minutes and 15 minutes if you have a hectic schedule. I'm not saying that do practice for 3 hours or 4 hours if you have hectic schedule. Do it for 10 minutes, 15 minutes and 20 minutes, whatever time you get and you can utilize in spoken English. So I want to tell you guys that consistency plays a vital role in anything, whatever you want to do in your life. As I gave you an example about my cricket or my bowling, and I used to play cricket before and it was completely a normal process for me because I was doing it frequently. But now it's been a really long, I did not go on ground. So when I went there, I was feeling that I would be able to execute a lot of things, I would be able to perform good, but it did not happen because I didn't do practice. I was not consistent. I was not even thinking about it. So what is very important for you to is throughout the journey you have to be consistent, try to take out time from your schedule, watch English content, listen to English content, speak English whenever you get any opportunity, and if you get any opportunity to speak from the stage, do rehearsal multiple times, then you will be able to perform good. It is not like everything is there in your mind and just you will go on a stage and you will be able to give a wonderful speech. That's not true. That can happen with the people who are already in practice and it's a normal activity for them. But if you are not doing practice a lot, it will be very difficult for you to express your thoughts from the stage. So that's what I want to tell you from this story, that be consistent throughout the journey. Don't take it cheaply. Don't be relaxed. Try to come out from your comfort zone and take out time from your schedule to make it better, to maintain your fluency, to become better as a speaker. That's it for today. Thank you so much, Many thanks to you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.